Good people, we just put up to the car show. The Winter Cruise stop 3, I think. But man, when I pulled up, I seen a gen, and it was 2 Genesis right beside each other. My gen and some other car. Like, man, it's pretty dope. I actually get to see another Genesis right beside the gen, and he was like, "Dang, the car was pretty amazing, dope." I'm gonna let y'all check it out and whatnot. But yeah, bro. Then I'm gonna head over here to this, to the car show and check all the cars out. But yeah, man. Yeah, so we about to head over here to the car show and check it out, man. We hope we don't get hit. But yeah, man, it's a lot of amazing cars, a lot of amazing trucks out here, man. Dang, I'm about to get hit. Sorry about that. So yeah, we over here. We just walked over across the street to the car show. Check it out now. GMC, we got a GMC, Chevy, Toyota, Ford. So yeah, man, we're gonna be checking these Jeeps out pretty soon. We got some Chrysler 300 sitting right over there, looking nice. Dang, we're pulling up to this green Dodge Charger. Looks pretty sexy. Man, Dodge Charger, yeah. Dang, we got the trucks right here. Got the whole truck crew beside each other. We got the Mustang. We got a Gen Coupe. Told you, my boy back in the car show. He's in it. Man, it's amazing. We gotta check that out too. We got to check him out. We got the Mustang. We got a Mustang right there. Looking good. We got the Challenger. We got the Camaro SS with the stripes. We got the Scat Pack beside that. Another Scat Pack with another Challenger. Pretty dope. Everybody's cleaning their cars right now. Hold up. Just, oh, we got something back. Hey, they know we out here, man. I'm getting out here. So yeah, man, we got people out here cleaning their cars and whatnot. Man. So my boy Casey is back in the vlog because his truck is in the show, and it just look amazing to actually have his truck sitting on the hill, man. You may not hear me, you may can, but we're about to walk over here to the music real quick and check it out, man. We have the classic Mustangs right over here. Then you got the fire truck. What? Got a fire truck? Let's go. With the Mustangs sitting beside each other, like the new generation Mustang. Wow, sexy. You can see a difference between the classic Mustang and the new generation. Mustang, man. But let my people know what you got going on with the car, because when I seen it, I was like, wow, this thing's pretty hard.
Yeah, so it's just 2018 Mustang GT Performance Pack 1. Got Corsa Performance, Extreme, catback exhaust, STX coilovers from ST suspensions, and just some dynamics DRLs.
Okay.
That's really all it's done to it so far.
Dang, it looked like it was on bags when I seen it. Is it on bags?
Oh no, it's all static.
Oh, dang. Well, we're gonna take a look at it, but nice talking to you. City out here, Mustang City. Pretty cool. Right here is all the Mustangs, man. Got the classic, we got it. It's not even the classic, but it's the body style from the classic. Then we got the thing. I don't even know all the generations, but dang, it's pretty dope. I need to do my little research on it, because man, every time I come to a car show, I see Mustangs. But we got the Focus ST. Whew. That guy. Pretty. RZ out here looking nice, pink and black and white. Cool, that chick is nice. Oh man, look at the engine bay on this chick. Guess what? I just saw some lights on the gen that I want to get for the gen. Man. Whew.
Who's that one?
Gen is pretty sick. Pretty sick. Oh, and it's my boy. My boy back in the vlog. What's going on, man? My boy back in the vlog. I said vlog. But yeah, my boy back in the vlog. And he got some new he got a new modification on the car, man. So I see you got the car on the lights. So right now, how much you want for these lights? I'm taking off right now.
So right now?
Yeah.
400.
Oh nah, he's tripping right now. Nah, I'm just joking. Nah, them things pretty nice, man. Hey, can we take a look at them? I'm like, when they come on. Okay. Oh yeah, that Jason, little Jason's hard. Little Jason's hard. This, like, you want to trade for today?
Yeah, trade?
Yeah, let's trade.
No, man, I had a lot of people ask me, do you want to trade for today, man? I said, no, I can't do it.
Dang. All right, cool. I guess I can't trade for today, but dang. Yeah, man, my man Jen is pretty sexy, man. Dang, I gotta set my game up, because we got people out here killing the game right now. I just got to rap, so you already know. But yeah, we're definitely gonna take a more look at all the other cars. got the Gen Sedan, we got the Titan, Patriot Titan, then we got Casey, the red and black Titan, then we got the Nissan 240SX, the 240SX. Wow. Whew. Haven't seen the 240XS in a minute, but yeah, we're gonna.
Come on over, check out your vendors while they got some free time.
Say,
We got 1013 designs out here, so wood signs.
gotta say,
Check out some of their box mods.
boy, man, out here, we got the
Down syndrome.
gray and black. What? I see one of the homeboys. What's going on? What's up, guy? How you doing, man? Hey, this is my homeboy from high school. But yeah. Then we got the Dodge Ram, then we got the Titan sitting right beside it. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and smash that thumbs up button. If you're not part of the family, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Welcome to the family.